So we're at the earth oven. We made this about 2 years ago. It's just some stumps from the ground. Put a piece of metal plate there. It could be anything, doesn't have to be metal plate. Put a few inches of sand, then fire brick, where the actual fire is going to be. You don't have to use fire brick. You could just make more regular bricks with more sand. Actually, not just, well, it could be even dirt, clay. Stack it up. Could have a wood base. You just want a nice flat base. So I did fire brick actually holds some of the heat. Then this is supposed to be 6 inches at minimum or thicker. The thicker, the longer it holds heat inside. Once this thing gets hot, it holds the heat for a long time. It's a thermal mass, they call it. Anyway, it's a convection oven. There's no chimney. That's why it's black right here. The cool air comes in, goes through there, heats up with the fire, and then it curls around. The dome is round inside and goes back around like a convection oven and comes back out here, the heat and smoke. So your food down here doesn't get smoky as long as you have a nice flame going. And this can hold, so you can just cook with this open, which is what we normally do. Obviously we've done it a few times too much. You can cook with this open and just put the food right here in the middle and leave the fire in the back, or some red coals in the very back you can see in there. We did that last time we cooked. Or you could scrape everything out, take the coals, red coals out, completely empty it, and fill the whole thing with food. This is huge. You could put a whole 18-inch pizza pan in here and slide it back, and other food. You can actually cook like 3 or 4 course meal in here all at one time. And this thing can get anywhere from like 400 to 800 degrees inside, and this helps hold in the heat. If you do this while a fire's still going, it kills the draft, and it just fills with smoke, and all your food will taste like smoke. If you want something smoked, it's a good way to smoke it. But anyway, you can cook literally anything in here. You could fry eggs on this once it gets hot on the stove part. It sizzles like pretty quickly, it's so hot in there. Or you can just keep food warm for literally hours after this thing's gone out. It's warm, you could actually heat stuff up or warm it. So it's really cool. It's a nice thing to have if your power goes out, or for fun, just to cook outside. You gotta have a shelter, just because this is just mud. It's straw and clay. And if it got rained on all the time, it would disintegrate. We've patched it over the couple years we've had it. It gets cracks and stuff in it. You just simply get some more clay and water and smooth it into the cracks again, and you're good. Even this has been broken off chunks here before. We repair it and put it back in. It's super simple. So it's a neat project, and my girls are now going to demonstrate on the next video, my earth oven video. They're going to show how to cook in it, and we cooked a meal and some dessert.